The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite, formed approximately 4.5 billion years ago from debris left over after a Mars-sized body collided with our planet, and it influences life on Earth through its gravitational pull, creating tides and stabilizing the planet's axial tilt. As the Moon orbits Earth, it goes through different phases, such as the new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent, which are caused by the changing angles of sunlight illuminating the surface. During a lunar eclipse, the Earth comes directly between the Sun and the Moon, causing the Moon to take on a reddish color due to sunlight being filtered through Earth's atmosphere, creating stunning visual phenomena that have been observed for centuries. The Moon's surface is covered with craters created by impacts from meteoroids, along with vast plains known as maria formed by ancient volcanic activity, which scientists study to understand the geological history of both the Moon and Earth. Future plans for lunar exploration include establishing colonies on the Moon where humans could live and work, utilizing local resources to create sustainable environments, as well as reflecting on humanity's achievements through past missions like Apollo 11, which marked the first successful manned landing on the Moon in 1969. The gravitational pull of the Moon plays a crucial role in creating tides on Earth, as it causes the water level to rise and fall in a rhythmic cycle influenced by the Moon's position relative to our planet, which is an essential process for marine ecosystems. The Moon's phases are not just visually stunning, but also provide valuable insights into celestial mechanics, allowing us to study the timing and patterns of its orbit, while astronauts conduct experiments on its surface to gather data that could inform future missions to other planets. The composition of the Moon is primarily made up of materials like oxygen, silicon, and various metals, which scientists analyze to gain a deeper understanding of its formation and how it relates to the geological processes of Earth.